Hey everybody, I am working on a video for you because we are launching our online scheduling system. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make a couple of reservations. From the home screen, click on My Account. It'll bring you to the login page. If you don't know your password, just click lost your password and you'll get an email. If you know your username and password, go ahead and enter it here. So your username is your email address. And click Login. This is your dashboard. I'll let you explore these options here on your own, but for now we're going to make a reservation by clicking the Reservations tab. The reservations page opens and you'll notice these quick links: shotgun, pistol, rifle, and hunting. These are going to jump you down to the area where you can click those links to make the reservations. So here at the pistol and rifle section, we're going to do a pistol range reservation. So click the link and it opens the pistol range reservations page. First thing is to tell me how many people are coming, yourself and who else is going to be with you. So let's say myself and a guest. In the calendar, the white is non-bookable, the green is available to book. Select your date and select your start and end time. The length of time you want to spend on the range is up to you. You'll notice booking cost is $0. There's no cost to book. This is just a placeholder to let me know you're coming. And then here we are going to add your non-member guest. So we know we're going to have a range fee for your guest for this visit. And then click Book Now. You'll notice the blue banner says pistol range reservations have been added to your cart. We could view the cart, but let's scroll down to these quick links here, and let's make a long range reservation. So click the link, and it opens the long range reservations page. Go through the exact same process. Select your times, and then add your non-member guest. And book now. So in the blue banner, it tells us that the long range reservation has been added to your cart. I want to point out this little red box here. So these are important reminders. Be sure to check in when you get here and let us know you're leaving. But for now, let's go and view the cart. So these are the two reservations we just made. And if I want to cancel one of these before I actually book it, I just click the red X and it removes that reservation from the booking. If everything looks good, I'm going to proceed to checkout. In the billing details, I'm just going to look to make sure everything is correct. If something needs to be added, you can add it here. If all looks good, I'm going to place my order. And this is the confirmation page of your booking. If you have any questions, just let me know. Call me at 512-755-2282 or send me an email at julie@austingunclub.com. See you on the range.